get up to speed. So I noticed my grandfather's Ruud Achiever 90 Plus. There we go. God, that sounded horrible. The blower, I don't know if it's the blower capacitor or the motor itself, but something is not working right. And it's been making this humming noise. I think it's the capacitor likely, but of course it would have to be on the coldest day of the winter so far. Anyways, it sounds like it's up to speed somewhat, but I thought I'd get it on film, or video I should say. Thanks for watching.